Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking standard for subject science. Standard for subject science. We are in lesson number 10. Already we have written 25 new terms. Yes, already we finished 25 new terms. Today we will learn few more new terms. Yes, these new terms also you will copy in your classwork. What is our lesson? PLACES, places. PLACES, places. In, THE, the, NEIGH, BOUR, HOOD, neighborhood. NEIGH, BOUR, HOOD, neighborhood. Neighborhood means the place around your house. Yes, the places near your house. The places near your house. We have many places in near our house. Yes, we have shops where we stay in our locality, in our colony. We have shops, we have school, we have hospital, we have supermarkets. Yes, all the places which are near our house is known as neighborhood. Neighborhood means the area or the place near our house. So already we have written 25 new terms in your science classwork. Now you will write remaining these words. I will explain these words too. Okay. STREET, street. STREET, street means roads, lanes. We have in front of our house. No, yes, we have roads to walk, vehicles to move, streets, roads we have. Who will sweep that? GSMC people, government people, municipality people, they will come and clean the streets. CLEANER, cleaner. CLEANER, cleaner. Who is a cleaner? One who cleans. One who cleans. Street cleaner, who keeps the streets clean, who sweeps the roads, who sweep the street and keep the street clean. Cleaner. GARBAGE, garbage. GARBAGE, garbage. COLLECTOR, collector. Garbage collector. Who is garbage collector? Morning our 6:30, 7 o'clock we'll get a whistle sound. Yes. What we'll do at that time? We'll take our dustbin. Yes. What will be there in the dustbin? All the waste papers, peels of vegetables, peels of our fruit or whatever waste is there, we'll keep it in the dustbin. When the whistle sounds comes, we'll take the dustbin and give it to the garbage collector. Garbage collector is a person who collects our garbage, our dust, our waste from every house. Yes, not only from one or two houses. How many houses are there in the locality? How many houses are there in the lane? He will collect garbage from all the houses, and not only from houses, and street side also we have dustbins. Yes, street side also we have to put dust, garbage. So from there also he will clean that garbage also. So garbage collector is a person who takes our garbage. STREET, street. LIGHT, light. Street light. Yes, we have lights for streets. Yes, we have lights. Why? Daytime we can see. Yes, and we will walk, we will drive our vehicles properly. But night time it will become dark. So at that time what they will do? They will switch on the lights. All the lights will be on, so that people, those who are walking, those who are moving on the vehicles, it will be easy for them to drive. So street light. STREET, street. LIGHT, light. Street light means the lights which are placed on the streets. ELECTRICIAN, electrician. ELECTRICIAN, electrician. ELECTRICIAN, electrician. Who is an electrician? Person who repairs our electrical works. One who does electrical works means one who repairs our switches, fans, bulbs. If a fan is not working, if a water pump is not working, we will call electrician. Yes, they will come and they will repair. If bulb is not working, if fans are not working, what we'll do? We'll call to the electrician. He will come and repair. Yes. ROAD, road. WORKER, worker. Road worker. Who is road worker? One who repairs the roads. Yes, if the roads are not proper, we can't move our vehicles properly. Yes or no? Accidents may occur on the road. So these road workers, what they will do? They will lay the roads properly. They will put the roads properly. What is the work of these road workers? They will take care of the road. If any road is not proper, immediately they will do work and make the road straight, so that no accident will occur. The people, those who walk, move on vehicles, they can move safely. Gardener, gardener. Gardener. Who is a gardener? One who takes care of garden. Yes, we go to garden. We go to garden to play, to do exercise, to do yoga. Yes, to play different games. So we go to garden. So who is taking care of that garden? Gardener. Gardener takes care of the garden. Many the plants are there in garden. Yes, he will clean that. He will pour water to plants. He will take care of the garden. When the time is, if it's the time, he will open gates for the people so that they can come and do walking, jogging in that. After that, if after everyone leaves, again he locks and he will maintain the garden properly. Whatever waste is there, what he will do? He will clean. He will take care of the plants. So gardener is a person who takes care of the garden. Littering. Littering. Littering means making the place dirty. Is it good to make the place dirty? All bits of paper. In class also, what you will do? You will tear the papers and throw it. You will sharp and you will throw it, the sharpener dust on the floor. Is it correct? No. We should not litter. We should not litter means we should not make the place dirty. Dentist. 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 Who is a dentist? One who takes care of our teeth. Dentist is a doctor. Dentist is a doctor who takes care of our teeth. If we have a tooth problem, if we have a toothache, tooth pain, where we will go? We will go to dentist. He will take care. He will check up and he will give medicines according to that. So dentist is a doctor who takes care of our teeth. Bus, bus. Driver, driver. Bus driver. Who is a bus driver? One who drives the bus. One who drives the bus. Chef, chef. Chef. Who is chef? One who cooks. One who cooks food. One who cooks food in restaurant or hotel. No. One who cooks food in restaurant or hotels are known as chef. Restaurant. 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 Restaurant is a place where we go to eat food. Yes, restaurant is a place where we go to eat food. Who will cook food for us there? Chef will cook food for us. Yes, chef will cook food in the restaurant for us. Tailor. 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 Who is the tailor? One who stitches our clothes. One who stitches our clothes. Stitches. Stitches. Who stitches our clothes? Tailor. Yes. If you want to make your uniform, if you want to stitch a uniform, where you will go? You will go to tailor with a piece of cloth. Yes, with a piece of cloth. What the tailor will do? He will cut according to your size and he will stitch a dress and give to you. Yes, tailor. Who all these? Street cleaner, garbage collector, these all are people who help us in our daily life. These all are people who help us. Yes, street cleaner is very important for us to keep our streets clean. If you don't come, street cleaner don't come from 1 week, what will happen? All the dust will be like that on the street and we will not like to move from that way. If garbage collector don't come for 2-3 days, what will happen? All the garbage will be like that only on the roads, and also in our house in dustbin it will be full and bad dirty smell will be coming. So all these people are very important for us. So we should give respect for these people also. Yes, street cleaners, garbage collectors, you should not say, no, I won't talk to him, I won't give dustbin to that person, I won't go. No, you should respect each and every person. They are very important for us. Yes, they are very important in our life. We should give respect to every person. So today write these new terms in your classwork, and now I will explain lesson also, children. Yes, your homework is WRITE, write. Lesson 10, new TERMS terms, in CW. These remaining new terms you will write in your classwork. Already you have written 25, I think. Remaining these all also write. Now I will explain the lesson. Open your textbooks. Open your science textbook. Open your science textbook. Page number 6969. Open your science textbook, page number 69. Science textbook, page number 69. What is our lesson? Places in the neighborhood. What is our lesson? Places in the neighborhood. Listen. Look at the pictures given below and underline the names of the places where these objects are found. You should see the picture and say where we will find these things. Okay, these objects, these pictures, where we will find. Now say where you can see this. Yes, where you can see this? In park. Yes, where you can see this? In park. Yes or no? Yes. Where you can see this? What is this? School bag, books, table. Where you can see this? Here a slide is found in a playground or classroom. You will see this slide in playground or in classroom. You will see this slide in your classroom. No, it will be in the playground. It will be in the playground. So we will underline playground. Take pencil. Underline PLAY, play. GROUND, ground. PLAY, play. GROUND, ground. Underline playground. Underline playground. Next, a writing desk is found in a playground or classroom. This writing desk will be in playground or in classroom. We find this writing desk in classroom. CLASS, class. ROOM, room. So underline classroom. Here first one you will underline. This we will see in playground. So underline playground. This desk we see in classroom. So underline desk. Underline classroom. CLASS, class. ROOM, room. Classroom. Shall we move to lesson now? Yes, listen. Our neighborhood. Places that are found around our house form our neighborhood. Whatever places we see near our house are our neighborhood. The places that are found around our house. The places that are found around our house means near our house or around our house are known as neighborhood. People who live near our house are known as neighbors. The people who are staying near our house, yes, the people who are staying near our house in our apartment, they are known as neighbors. Yes, they are known as neighbors. Neighborhood means the places near our house, the area near our house. Neighborhood means the people who are living near our house. The people who are living near our house are known as neighbors. Neighborhood means the area around our house. The area around our house. Move to next one. See here. This is Sunita's neighborhood. What do you see here? See, you can see this picture. Talk time. This is Sunita's neighborhood. Yes, this is Sunita's neighborhood. What you can see in our neighborhood? Neighborhood means the place near Sunita's house. Yes, what you can see in the picture? You can see a park. Yes. See, Sunita is watching from here. She is standing here in the balcony and she is watching. What is there near her house? Yes, you can see a park. Yes, what is there near her house? Park. So, in this way, park, she have many buildings are there here. So, the place near our house is known as neighborhood. Next, page number 7070. Turn to page number 7070. When a family moves to a new house, they make sure that everything is close to the house. Yes, when we shift to one place to another place. Yes, when we shift from one house to another house, what we will see? We are going to that place. Let us see, everything is near to us. Yes, everything is near to us. Bus stop should be near to us so that we can move in bus. Yes, we want market also. If it is very far from our house, it is very difficult to purchase everything. So whenever if we are shifting to one house to another house, what we see, we will see that everything, whatever important things we need, all that are near to us. Like market is very important for us. Yes, hospital is important, school is important. So whenever we shift from one place to another place, we see that all these places are near our house. All these places are near our house, so that it will be comfortable and easy for us to go. A bank to keep money safe. First one, which picture is this? This is bank. Yes, why we go to bank? Bank to keep our money safe. Yes, money, where we keep our money and jewelry, in the bank, so that the things we keep in the bank will be safe. If we keep at home, what will happen? We don't know. If we go out somewhere, robbers may come and steal our things. Yes or no? So costly things, money, what we'll do, we'll keep in bank, so that it will be safe in bank. Next, a supermarket, market to buy day-to-day things from. What is this? This is supermarket. What you will get in supermarket? Everything, all food items you will get. As grocery items you will get. So we need supermarket also. We don't want to go somewhere to buy vegetables, fruits, or sugar, wheat, rice. No, we want everything to be near our house. So supermarket, where we can get everything, whatever we need day to day. We want bread, we want milk. Yes, we'll take milk every day. So we get from supermarkets or markets. Next, a school to study in. Yes, why we go to school? To study, to read, to write, to learn new things. So school is a place where we study new things. Next, a hospital to go to when we are unwell. When we are unwell. Yes, what is this? Hospital. Why we go to hospital? When we are sick, when we are not well, we go to hospital. So that doctor will give us medicine, and if we take that medicine, we will feel happy, we will relax, and we will be happy, and our sickness will go down. Yes or no? We won't feel sickness. So what is this? Hospital. Yes. Who takes care of us in hospital? Doctor. Yes, and nurse. A police station to go to report a theft. See, why we need police station? If anything happens, no? If someone comes and steals something from our house, what we'll do? We'll go to police station and give report in police station, so that the policeman will catch the thief and get back our things. Next, a fire station to call for help. A fire station to call for help if there is a fire. If there is fire in any place, what we'll do? We'll call for fire person. Fire people will come and they will put off the fire. So if any place catches fire, we'll call for fire station. Next place, these all are places in our neighborhood. Yes, these all not all these places may not be near our house, but few will be there. Like hospitals we have, schools we have, fire station it won't be there, police station it will be little far only. But so few places are very near to us in our neighborhood only. Yes, so we have all this in our neighborhood. We have all these places in our neighborhood. Like we have bank, we have supermarket, we have school, we have hospitals, we have police station, we have fire stations, we have, next we have post office also. Yes, in our neighborhood we have post office also. A post office, why we need post office? To send letters and parcels from. If you want to send any letter or parcel, what you will do? You will write address to whom you want to send. You will write address on that and you will give it in the post office. Then that postman will send to the respective places according to the addresses given on that letter or parcel. They will send. So post office is used to send letters and parcels. A park to play and exercise. What is this? Which place is this? Park. You all children like to go to park. Why you like to go to park? Because it's very green, fresh, and you want to play in the park. You have many friends in the park. So to play, you want to go to park. A park to play and exercise. Yes, we need park too, so that we can play and also do exercise in the park. A good neighborhood will have all the above places. We should keep our neighborhood clean. Yes, a good neighborhood will have all these places. Yes, these all are what we have learned are all these are places in our neighborhood. How we should keep these places? Very clean. When you go to park, you should not throw the waste here and there. Everywhere we have dustbin, you should put it in the dustbin only. You should keep the place clean. If you go to supermarket, you should keep that place clean. You should not remove this and that and throw it. No. So these all are places in our neighborhood. We should keep these places clean. People who help us. Next topic is people who help us. Till now what we have learned, these all are places in our neighborhood. Places in our neighborhood. What are those? First, bank. Yes, bank, supermarket, school, hospital, police station, fire station, post office, park. All these are places in our neighborhood. These all places we see in our neighborhood. Once again say, what are those? Bank. Yes. Supermarket, school, hospital, police station, fire station, post office and park. All these are places in our neighborhood. All these are places in our neighborhood. Why? How we should keep these places clean. Next topic is people who help us. There are many people in our society who help us. We need their help. They are very important for us. Without them, we can't finish our day's work. So, there are many people in our neighborhood who help us. Now, people who help us. Next topic, page number 71. Page number 71. There are many people who help us every day. They make our lives easy and happy. There are many people in our society, in our neighborhood who help us in our daily work. Because of them only our work will be easy. Who are those? First one, see, a teacher. Yes, teacher is important for you. Why? Because teacher teaches you. Yes, teacher teaches you many things. Teacher will teach you how to read and write. Yes, teacher teaches you how to read and write. Good manners. So a teacher teaches us. Yes, teacher is also a person who helps you. Yes, these all are people. Now we will learn about people who help us. Now first one is teacher. How teacher is helping you? Teacher helps you to read, write and to learn good manners. Next, doctor. Yes, doctor is very important. Yes, why? Because he treats us when we are not well. He treats us when we are sick. So, a doctor treats us when we fall sick, when we are not well. When we are sick, we go to doctor. When after doctor gives medicine, after taking that medicine, we will be fine and good. Yes, so doctor is very important. When we fall sick, we go to doctor. Yes, doctor is also helping us. Teacher is helping us. Yes, these all are people who help us. Next, farmer. A farmer grows food for us. We are eating rice, chapati, yes, fruits we are eating, vegetables we are eating. From where we are getting? Farmers are growing this food for us. Yes, farmers, see, this is field, no? See, they are working in the field. They will grow crops and they will send to the market. From market we are buying and eating. Yes, so farmers, what they are doing? They are also helping us. If the farmers don't grow food, no food for us to eat. Yes or no? Farmers, if they don't grow food, no food for us to eat. So farmers are very important in our life, so that whatever they prepare, whatever they grow, that will be sent to the market. From market we will buy and eat. Next, policeman. A policeman keeps us safe. Next is what? Policeman. Who is he? Policeman. What the policeman is doing? He will keep us safe. Yes, we feel safe, no? After seeing policeman. Yes, policeman is there. He will take care of us. If anything happens, if any bad thing happen to us, what we'll do? We'll go to police station and immediately complain to the police officer. He will take action and he will solve our problem. Yes, so policeman keeps us safe. These all are what? People who help us. Some more are also there. What we have learned were those people who help us. First, teacher, doctor, farmer, policeman. These all are people who help us in our daily life. Teacher. Every day you need teacher to teach you. Doctor we need when we are sick. Farmer we need. Why? Because he grows food for us. Policeman we need him. Whenever we are in trouble, we take help of policeman. So teacher, doctor, farmer, policeman. Teacher, doctor, farmer, policeman. These are people who help us. Next paper. Page number 72. Here also few people are there who help us. Few people are there who help us. Page number 72. First one. A carpenter makes furniture for us. Carpenter, what he will do? From wood he makes different types of furniture. Yes. Tables we are using at home. Dining table we will use. Sofa sets we are using. Chairs we are using. Who are making all these things for us? Carpenter. Yes, he makes, then we will purchase and bring it to our house. Yes or no? So carpenter makes things of wood, furniture. A postman delivers our letters and parcels. We put letters, parcels in the post box. So from there, postman only delivers. He takes that parcels, he takes that letters and send it to the respective places. Yes, so postman will deliver our letters. He is also very important for us. Next, a barber cuts our hair. If your hairs are grown, what you will do? You will go to barber to cut your hair. If barber is not there, how your hairs will be? It will become very long. You like to keep long hair? No. So barber, he cuts our hair. He trims our hair and make hairstyles. No. So barber is also important for us to cut our hair. Next, a watchman guards our house. Yes, we have watchman. Why we keep watchman? So that he guards our house. He take care of our house when we are out, when we go somewhere for 2-3 days also he takes care of our house so that no thief will come and take anything from our house. So watchman, he will safeguard our house, he will guard our house. Next, a fireman puts out fire. Yes. Who is he? Red color dress. Fireman. How he is helping us? Fireman helps to put out fire. If any place catches fire, we will call fireman. He will come with full tank of water and big pipe. What he will do? He will pour water on that fire and the fire will be off. So to put out fire, we need fireman. We need all these people in our life. Yes. A shopkeeper sells things we need. Who is he? Shopkeeper. Yes, he sells. Shopkeeper is also very important. He sells things for us. If we want vegetable, we go to shop. If we want any grocery item, we go to shop. If we want fruits, we go to shop. Yes, shopkeeper sells our daily things. Whatever we want, we buy from the shopkeeper. So all these are what? People who help us. People who help us. Who are those? Teacher, doctor, farmer, policeman. Teacher, doctor, farmer, policeman. Teacher, doctor, farmer, policeman. And some more people who help us. Carpenter, postman, barber, watchman, carpenter, postman, barber, carpenter, postman, barber, carpenter, postman, barber. Next, watchman, fireman, shopkeeper. Watchman, fireman, shopkeeper. Watchman, fireman, shopkeeper. All these are people who help us in our daily life. Teacher spelling T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. See your page number 71. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. M-A-N, man, policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. M-A-N, man, policeman. Turn your paper. Page number 72. Carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. Carpenter. P-O-S-T. Post. M-A-N. Man. Postman. P-O-S-T. Post. M-A-N. Man. Postman. B-A-R-B-E-R. Barber. B-A-R-B-E-R. Barber. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. M-A-N. Man. Watchman. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. M-A-N. Man. Watchman. F-I-R-E. Fire. M-A-N. Man. Fireman. F-I-R-E. Fire. M-A-N. Man. Fireman. S-H-O-P. Shop. K-E-E-P-E-R. Keeper. Shopkeeper. S-H-O-P. Shop. K-E-E-P-E-R. Keeper. Shopkeeper. So in today's lesson what we have learned? People who help us in our daily life and also places in our neighborhood. We have park, we have hospitals, we have school, yes, near our house, we have post office, we have police station. All these are what? Places in our neighborhood. And next what we have learned? People who help us in our daily life. So take your textbook, page number 69, 70, 71 and 72. You will read, yes. You will read this all, the 4 papers, start reading. And your homework is these new terms you will copy in your classwork. After writing in classwork, you will revise. You will read each and every new term. You will read. If you read all these new terms, it is very easy for you to read the lesson. So learn all the new terms. Your homework is write new terms in classwork and learn. Do your work neatly. Thank you, children.